Good morning to everyone. Now let us learn about the next topic is digital meter in electricity only. Okay, digital meter in electricity. Now discussing the in previous class, that is C, F, L and M, C, B. So these two materials are save the energy, that is the electrical power of the energy. Yes or no? So because that is a fluorescence. That is a fluorescence means that is a save the energy. That is the electrical energy, because that is white color is paint is inside. That is a tube light inside is there. So that fluorescence you are coming to brightness. You are given to the brightness of the light. That's why only your loss of energy is a little bit only. Okay, you have saved the some energy of the power. And next MCB. So MCB also that is a control the electrical power energy. That is the electrical power only. That is the energy of the electricity. Okay, you are control the, that is a save the electrical energy. And the next thing is this is equal to the fuse only. Okay now. So fuse means that is a safety device and avoid the firing condition. So this one also you are safe to the fire. That is you are control the electrical energy. Okay. So why this is mainly using in ISI marker of the materials. Okay. Why are you using the ISI marker of the materials? That is this is a standard instruments of the materials. That's why only using in this type of the materials. Okay. This type of the marker of the materials. Okay. ISI. I is that is the Indian standard instruments of the materials. Okay. So that's why only using the this type of the marker of the materials. Okay. You are understood, Nana? Now discussing the digital meters. So digital meters means that is you are using the electricity. Okay, you are measuring in electricity only in a meter. Okay, in most of the electricity where are you observing in which places? That is houses and in schools. Houses and schools are observing in alternative using in current only. Yes or no? So that is you are recorded the electricity. After you are paid the some amount of the you are using the causes of the material. Okay, consumes of the material, consumes of the electricity. Okay, now discussing the digital meters. Okay, digital meters means you are recorded the your daily using the electricity of the current. Okay, you are reading the that is the amount of the material, that is the amount of the electricity of the cost. Okay, you are and one more thing is that is electricity is not of free of cost. Yes or no? So must and should you are paid some amount of the that is you are using in electricity of the power. Yes or no? So now you are coming to some electricity departments and that is reading. You are recorded the reading in digital meters. Okay, for suppose here given to the some any type of the watts of the bulbs, that is 25 watts and 40 watts and 60 watts minimum you are using it at home only. Okay, 100 watts of the bulbs. This type of bulbs are using, that is the minimum electricity are using in a house. Okay, for suppose in 1 hour, you are using the 1 kilowatts. Okay, 1 kilowatts of power you are using in 1 hour. That is the one of the unit. Okay, you are measuring the one of the unit only. Okay, so this is a watts means that is the power units only. That is the power units. Watts means that is the power of the unit. Okay, in 1 hour you are using the 1 kilowatts are equal to the 1 unit. So 1 unit complete means that is a 1 kilowatts. 1 kilowatts means that is a 1000 watts. 1 kilo value is a 1000 only, no? So that equal to 1 kW. Okay, 1 k means kilo, W means watts. 1 kilowatts in using in 1 hour. Using in 1 hour. So this is equal to the 1 unit. This is very important, Amma. So what is the meaning of 1 unit? You are using in a 1 hour 1 kilowatts of the power. Okay, 1 kilowatts of the power is using in a 1 hour. So that is equal 1 unit. Okay, you are understood, Nana? So in a 1 hour you are using the 1 kilowatts are equal to the 1. You are measuring the 1 unit. So but generally using in any houses in 2 hours only. Yes sir, just minimum using in 2 hours of the power only. So that's 2 hours of the power means that is you are multiplied due to the 2 into you are consider the in 1 hour you are using the kilowatts of the power. Yes sir, no? So minimum you are using in 1 hour 1 kilowatts only. So in daily you are using 2 hours means you are multiply the 2. But you are pay the amount daily or that is a day by day that is every day or paid or monthly paid. You are paid the monthly wise only. Yes or no, ma? So but here consider the 1 hour of the electricity power, and you are daily for suppose you are daily using in 2 hours only. Okay, 2 into 1 kilowatts. So finally you are using daily 2 kilowatts of the power at home only. Okay, you are understood, ma? For suppose here given to the one example in the textbook. Okay, in reading of the January. In reading of the January. 400 units. So units, what is the meaning of units? In 1 hour. In 1 hour you are using the 1 kilowatts. Okay, that is called 1 unit only. Okay, so that is the daily in January using in 400 units only. Okay, and the next one is the February you are using in February 580 units. In February you are using in 580. Okay, here variation word, ma? Here differences is the 180 units. So in your paid the amount in February 180 units only. Okay, your paid the amount is in 180 units. You find out the amount of the cost. So each unit minimum given to the government some cost. Yes or no, ma? So that cost you are considered the 1 unit cost is here given to the textbook 3.05 cost. Okay, so minimum 1 unit cost is considered the 3.05 rupees only. Okay, so you are multiply the 180 into 3.05. So here you are using the monthly wise units only. Okay, but here 1 unit cost is 3.05. So that's why you are both of you are multiplied. So 180 into 3.05. So finally you are coming to 549. That is 549 rupees. You are paid the amount monthly wise, that is in February amount, that is 549 rupees. You are understood, Nana? So your in January reading is the 400 units and February units is the 580. So here differences is considered the 180. Okay, so your monthly you are using the units is 180 only, but your unit cost is given to the government. Yes or no? So 3.05 that is the cost only. Okay, 3.05 rupees. Okay, this is the 1 unit cost. But you find out the 180 units cost only now. So finally your 180 into 3.05 is coming to 549. So in February your paid the amount is 549 rupees. Okay, you understood, Nana? So every day and every month you find out your reading and multiply the unit cost, and next finally you pay the amount. Okay, in that is okay. Next let us discussing the Next problem in test book is there. One problem is there, ma. Okay. Suppose in a houses there are 4 bulbs of 100 watts. Okay, 4 bulbs, 4 bulbs of the 100 watts. Okay, 100 watts bulbs are having in a 4. That is at home only in a 4 bulbs. And next 6 of the 60 watts. Okay, 6 of the 60 watts of the bulbs are there in a house. Okay, and next one is the 6 of the 40 watts. 6 of the 40 watts. Okay, in a houses only. Okay, you are using the 100 watts of the bulbs are how many is there? 4. And 60 watts is there, how many is there? 6. And 40 watts of the bulbs, how many is there? 6 only. Okay, so finally here find out the, so 400 watts. And next 660 is 36, that is 36 watts. And 4 6 2400 watts. Okay, 240 watts. So you are adding the all values 0 and again coming to 10 and 7 2, that is 9 and here given one is there, that is 10. So you are using the 1000 watts. Okay, in that is 1 hour only. You are the total power of using in 1 hour. But here given to the 1 unit cost. Okay, here given to the 1 unit cost is there. 1 unit cost is 2.80 rupees. Okay, so this is the totally power using every day. Okay, you are using the every day you are using the 1000 watts in 1 hour. But you are daily, just you are generally government declare the every day you are using the 2 hours only. Yes or no? You are multiply the 2. Okay, so that is you are multiply the 2 into, this is the 1 hour of the units. Okay, so you are using the 2 hours daily. That is the your day you are using the 2 hours. Okay, that's why you are multiply the 2 into 1000. Okay, so 2 into 1000 watts. So your day by your that is every day you are using the 2000 watts. Okay, your every day you are using the that is power is the 2000 watts only. 2000 watts means that is the 2 kilowatts. Okay, so this is the 2 kilowatts. You are every day you are using the 2 kilowatts. But you are pay the amount, you are not every day. Yes or no? You are pay the every month. Finally you are pay the every month only. So that's why you are multiply to the monthly wise amount. You are calculate the monthly wise amount only. So that is this is a 1 day only. You are multiply the 30 days. Okay, so that's why 30 into 2k. Okay, so this is a 2 3s 61 in so 60 kilowatts. Your monthly you are using the 60 kilowatts only. But here given to the 1 unit cost, yes or no? 2.80 rupees. You are multiply that one. Okay, 60 into that is 2.80 kilowatts. Okay, so 6 that is 60 0 is coming and 6 8 are 48. 4 is there na, and 6 2 are 12 and 12 and 4 16. Is that no ma? So how many zeros is there? How many points? 1 2. So 16.80. So kilowatts. Kilowatts means that is you are multiply the 1000. 16.80 into 1000 and watts. Your The last the 2 points means that is 168. Okay, so here finally, so here 1 point is there, okay, 168 rupees. Okay, here pay the amount is 160 rupees. So finally your pay the monthly wise cost is 168 rupees. You are understood, Nana? First step you are find out the your how many units are using your day by or monthly wise. So how can you calculate the monthly wise means first before already discussing the one problem in January using in how many units are there, that is 400. Okay, na 400 watts. In February you are using in 580 watts. In a variation is the 180 watts. So your monthly you are using the how many watts? 180 watts. This is the first step. And the second step you are consider the that is a unit cost. You have find out the unit cost, and next you are multiply the unit cost. 180 into that is 180 into 2.8. Okay. So finally you are coming to the you pay the amount only. Okay. That is the third step. Now here given to the how many bulbs are is there. Okay. So 100 watts of the bulbs is the 4 is there, and 60 watts of the bulb is the 6 is there, and 40 watts of the bulbs is the 6 is there. So finally you find out the total how many watts are present in at home only. Okay. Find out that one. Okay. So this is the 1 hour you are using the at home only. Okay. But actually that is a government here declare the every day you are using the 2 hours generally. Okay, na generally thinking 2 hours only. Okay, that 2 hours is cost is that is voltage is considered the 2 into that is here coming to 1000 watts only, na. So 2 into 1000 watts, that is 2 kilowatts only. Okay, but this is the only 1 day units only. Here calculate the only 1 day units. And next thing is that is the next step is you have find out the 30 days units only. You have calculate the 30 days units. 30-day units is here consider the 2 hours units. Daily you are using the 2 hours, but here find out the 30 days. So 30 into 2 hours of the 2 kilowatts only. Okay, here multiply that is finally is coming to 60 kilowatts. Okay, so but here given to the 1 unit cost. Yes sir, no. Already declare the government, that is 1 unit cost is the 2.80 rupees. So you are multiply the 60 kilowatts into 2.80 value. Okay, finally is coming to 160 rupees. Okay, your finally you have pay the in monthly wise that is in monthly wise you have pay the 168 rupees according to your using the electricity power only. Okay, understood, Nana? Thank you. And one more point is there, ma'am. That is the Faraday. Faraday is first of all you are observing the this all our powers are coming to in power stations only. Yes or no, ma'am? That power stations is coming to some substations to your houses only. Yes or no, ma'am? So your that is this all are you are considered in a transformers. Yes sir, transformers to in a remaining parts. That is the remaining substations is transferred to the electricity power. Yes sir, no, ma'am? That is a transfers. That is a transformers and one more thing, generators. Okay, generators and transformers first of all invented the Faraday. Okay, so this is a very important in 1831. Okay, in 1831 year find out the transformers and that is the generators or dynamo. Okay, dynamo also. One more name is the generator, one more name is the dynamo. Okay, so these are all are inverted the Faraday only. Okay, you are understood? All are following the all classes. Okay, thank you.